is a big and beautiful house. It has a large bedroom, a living room, a bathroom, and a big kitchen. The bedroom has a desk, a bookcase, a computer, a bed, and an almirah. The living room has a painting on the wall, a sofa, and a television. The kitchen has a refrigerator, a microwave oven, and a stove. It has a big dining table. The bathroom has a bathtub, a shower, and a wash basin. The house is surrounded by pine trees. The underlined and colored words are articles. Usage of a and an. A and an are used before singular countable nouns or noun phrases. When an indefinite noun is introduced for the first time. A is used before singular countable nouns or noun phrases beginning with consonant sounds. Examples: a leopard, a large book, a litter of kitten, a university, a one-line answer. Here, university starts with U. That means U is a vowel here, but it sounds like consonants. That's why I have used here a university. In second example, one-line answer, O is also starts with vowel, but one has the sound of a consonant, so I have used here a one-line answer. Next, an. An is used before singular countable nouns or noun phrases beginning with vowel sounds. An almirah, an opportunity, an elephant, an igloo. Uses of the. When an indefinite noun is referred again, the definite article the is used. The living room, the kitchen, the bathroom, the house. The is also used before singular and plural nouns when the speaker and the listener share a common experience. For example, open the door and switch off the fan. In this case, both the speaker and listener know which door and which switch are being talked about. We also use the before names of the objects or things that are universal truths. For example, the sun is larger than the earth. Here, it is a universal truth that the sun is already larger than the earth. We often use the before the names of the places and people. I met him at the post office. The doctor hasn't come as yet. Children are playing in the park. See, these are the articles that we have seen now. If you have any problem, any doubts in this article, so don't forget to comment. I will answer all the queries that you have. Thank you very much.